Okay, here we go with another fun video. This is my engine stand. And let's see, what I wanted to point out is it has holes here in the metal sawhorse so I can put through screws. I don't know what else to call them. I'll put screws through the wood with the hardware on both ends. So that'll be locked down, so to speak. This the exhaust here, I'm going to move this over here, and I'm going to put a 2-inch PVC pipe with a mount right here. Then I'm going to put a 45-degree elbow, and then I'm going to notch the wood back here so that the PVC goes through, PVC and the exhaust goes through the wood and is discharged out the bottom. This tank arrangement, which I purchased online, this has a tube right here. Comes with a tube, and that tube is for the, dang it, that tube is for the control line or control wire, control rod. It's actually a wire. I call it control rod. Okay, it's wire and stranded, twisted. But anyways, regardless of that design, there's a control horn right here. So this needs to be lined up. This tank needs to come over a little bit this way to line up with this, and then both assemblies are going to go this way. That tank moving over a 1/2 inch or so, that's going to provide space for this PVC pipe, which is going to start right in here somewhere. Anyways, these are going to be screws that go all the way through the surface, this surface, all the way through the mount. And this is probably, I'm likely to replace, I will replace this with a metal piece here. I don't like these plastic pieces. Okay, so anyways, I'll be doing some adjusting here and some electric starter here and flipping here, and this will be connected here, this will be connected here, and away we go. Put fuel in here. This has got 2 screws, that's probably enough. And these are stout enough, and away we go. So we'll see how that pans out. I'm happy with it at the moment. It's just all changeable. Where's the off button? Let me switch this thing off.